Hello, my name is Mrinmoy Chakraborty. I am an investment and insurance consultant. In my earlier video, I have discussed contingency or emergency fund, which is the primary part of your financial planning. In today's video, I am discussing why health insurance or medical insurance needs to be a part of your financial planning. Over the last few decades, the advancement in medical technology has made it possible to cure diseases that was once considered incurable. However, the cost of these treatments are very expensive. It's almost impossible for a middle class person to afford them, from drugs to surgeries to doctor fees to other medical procedures. Nothing costs less than a few lakhs. Take a look at some medical treatments and how much they cost. In 2015, number of cancer patients were 8 lakh around, whereas in 2020 it is increased to 11.5 lakhs. And cancer related surgeries, medicines and other procedures are very expensive. Average cost of cancer treatment is around 10 lakh rupees. Look at the heart disease. 25% of death in the age group of 29 to 69 years. Angioplasty cost between 1 to 3.5 lakhs. Bypass 2 lakhs. Valve replacement cost is around 3.5 lakhs. Chronic kidney disease is the 12th leading cause of deaths around the world. In India, a kidney transplant cost is around 4 lakh rupees, and if anybody has any kidney related issues, then he needs to pay rupees 15,000 to 20,000 monthly lifelong. For the treatment of dialysis, in the case of major organ transplant, 50,000 people die in India every year just because non-availability of organs, and related surgeries and procedures are very expensive. Lung transplant cost is nearly 20 lakhs. Liver transplant is nearly 18 lakhs. Pancreas transplant cost is nearly about 17.5 lakhs of rupees. If you see, a childbirth in a private hospital in India might cost for a regular birth 15,000 to 75,000 rupees, and for a C-section 25,000 to 2 lakh rupees. Other important surgeries like hip replacement is cost nearly 4.5 lakhs rupees. Knee replacement 4 lakh rupees. Spinal replacement 4 lakhs 20,000 rupees. If you plan a trip to Mumbai for 4 days and 3 nights, that cost is around 21,000 rupees. And if you plan for Singapore, that cost is around 51,000 rupees. But all these costs are pre-planned. Now think, if any sudden unplanned trip to hospital happens, then after visualizing previous medical treatment costs, you can certainly imagine the cost of your unplanned hospital trip, which can ruin your entire financial planning. The only way to keep yourself financially protected against these medical exigencies is by buying a proper health insurance policy. And that is why health insurance, which is known as medical insurance in India, has become a necessity in today's scenario when the medical expenditures are so high. Look at the image. Because of inflation, medical facilities are very expensive day after day. Healthcare costs is rising at the rate of 10% per annum in India, with the new lifestyle diseases adding every 5 to 10 years. Even corona treatment is cost around 5 to 8 lakhs rupees, and sudden need of lakhs of rupees for quality medical care. It can be diagnostic tests, OPD charges or medicines. Everything is getting expensive. Thus, to lessen this financial burden, health insurance plays a very important role. Suppose you do not have any mediclaim or health insurance policy while you meet with an accident or disease. Then what would you prefer? A general one or deluxe one? It takes less than an hour to explain the need of health insurance to you, and you take less than a minute just to say no, while doctor takes a couple of minutes to explain about your health condition, and then you spend your lifelong accumulated savings. So it can easily predict that medical emergencies can knock at any door at any time and ruin your entire savings. So buy a health insurance policy just to safeguard your hard-earned savings. Now the question is, what are the benefits of health insurance? It covers almost all expenses related to medical expenses incurred from hospital, accidental injury or any ailment or diseases. But in a shorter way, there are 4 types of benefits you can avail if you buy a health insurance policy. Just have a look. Firstly, you do not need to break your hard-earned savings in case of any health-related issues. Second, you can get best medical attention without compromising cost. Thirdly, you can maintain your stress-free routine life without anxiety. Fourthly, you can get income tax benefit under section 80D. Thus, it's obvious that health insurance is not a luxury, but it is a necessity of every being. So, do not wasting your time rather than consult a professional and dedicated health insurance advisor, one who provides you unbiased advice and who has deep knowledge of claim settlement. This is very important part, and we are providing all type of health insurance policies and services and having claim settlement experience since 1999. So make a smart decision and talk to us today to insure yourself and your family. Hope this video about health insurance gives you a good insight about importance of health insurance and its benefit, and how to choose a good health insurance plan, and also to choose dedicated experienced advisor. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share it to the other people so that they can be benefited. Thank you.